So, hi guys. It's Camera Girl here. So it's been a while since you guys have really seen me or or mom, mostly, or so on the channel so far, and it's basically because, as you guys saw in a previous video, that my brother, he got sick. So he was sick for a while, so we didn't really get to do a lot of stuff. We had to be taking care of him as best as possible to see how far, to see how well we can help him to get better and stuff like that. So off of that sickness or so, I was then sick. I don't know, I think, yeah, I would say I caught it in a way, not as much as him, but I caught a little bit of it. So I was sick for then about a week, or yeah, about a week. I was sick for that time. I'm still recovering. I'm not fully there as yet. Still recovering, but I'm a lot better than I was last week. And now mom is a bit sick. So it's like, as if someone gets better, somebody else gets sick. So mom is a little bit sick now at this moment. That's why we haven't really been posting as much, because I was sick and then mom is now currently sick. But she's pushing, she's trying to take as much medicine as possible. She's trying to get better to come back and make more videos, so that you guys can see us more and see what we're doing. You guys haven't seen us for a while, about a week now, more than a week maybe. And you guys must be wondering where we are, what we're doing, how comes you haven't posted. And that's the reason why. It's because we've been sick. We haven't gotten a chance to really do anything much. As I said before, mom is not currently sick, so she's trying to get back up there as best as possible. She's not too sick, but she's a little bit sick, but she's trying her best to get better, to come back, so we can make more videos and make more content for you guys, so you guys can go back to watching us and watching our daily vlogs, or what we do on a day-to-day basis. We are going to have a vlog coming up tomorrow. Hopefully, yeah, hopefully we'll be able to post it by tomorrow, or maybe Friday. One of those 2 days, either tomorrow or Friday, it will be posted. But we will be vlogging tomorrow, so that you can either post it tomorrow or Friday. And then after that, we are going to see how much we can post on this channel, so that you guys can see what's happening with us now, because you haven't been seeing us as much as I said before. So yeah, that's basically what's going to be happening. So you guys don't have to worry, nothing extreme hasn't happened that much. We've just been sick, trying to recover as best as possible to come back. As I said before, we're going to come back, new content, more exciting content, as you say, more vlogs, more interesting home videos, stuff like that, So we're going to be coming back with new videos very soon. As I said, a vlog will be uploaded either tomorrow or Friday. So in that vlog, you'll be able to see mom. She'll tell you her update as to how she feels, if she's feeling any better, what she's doing to feel better and stuff like that. So she'll tell you her update while we're on the road doing our thing, whatever we're doing. If we're at home, going on the road, wherever we go, we take you guys with us. So that's basically it. I just wanted to come and give you guys an update as to what we have been doing and why you haven't seen us in a while. So that's basically it. As usual, thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for staying on our channel, even though we haven't been here for a while. Thank you for staying and supporting us. And we will see you guys, well, I will be seeing you guys, and mom will see you guys in our next vlog. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, stay tuned for our next vlog, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and stay healthy as best as possible. Try not to get any type of virus or sickness or anything. So stay healthy, stay strong, stay good, and we will see you guys again. Bye.